All right, YouTube, this is Don Jizzle, aka Fifth Scale RC Insanity. All right, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing here. Got some stuff in the mail. But hold on, I gotta go get my knife. Actually, I got a boxing knife right here. Let's get the unboxing knife out. The unboxing knife. All right, so this might be, let me try to do this with one hand here. This ain't gonna work. So one of these little chisels here. The chisel unboxing. See what this is. It's probably a spark plug. Should have ordered some more, but I had to change. Alright, so this is a spark plug I ordered. Let's see, alright. What this is. Trying to do this with one hand. It's crazy. Give me a second, let me open it. Alright, so this actually came pretty fast. This came pretty fast actually. I ordered that not too long ago. This came from I'll show you where this came from. You know, my favorite land over here. Ching Wang Shine. See that boy can't read that there. Yeah. Mr. George Zhang. Thank you, George. Anyway, these are the my extenders here. Extensions, and this is what I think it is. Let me try to do this with my left hand. Alright, hold on a second. Alright, this is, look at that box all banged up. You see where it come from, right? Where it come from? See that there? Where did that come from over there? You see that there? You ain't know how to speak that stuff, do you? Like this box is banged up. Let's see how the merchandise is. Looks like this career disc is here. This is from Ice. Live life in the large lane, Hong Kong here. That's the box. That thing can't, boy, that thing, Hong Kong is far away. Cause that thing took a long time to get here. Long time. Anyway, let me crack it open. Let me cut it open. We'll see what we got in there. All right, I got the bag. One of the bags open anyway. Let's see if we can. little sticker with it. A little Ace Racing sticker. I want to order a front diff from them, but man, it's like $2 a kit. So you get some hardware, you get some screws. There's a lot of daggone screws. And you get the braces. Feel kind of cheap though. These feel more durable. So, you know, maybe it's just lighting, I don't know. And let's look at it. Looks pretty good. There's a little dent in there. Good weight. I'm trying to look at it, not on the camera. Everything seems to be. I'll know when I start putting bearings in here how good it really is. Like a shitty weld right there. Oh, it's a screw. What is that? All right. So let's see. Make sure you send me the right damn pieces. All right, so there you have it. This is gonna go back here. I'm over here trying to fit these lights some sort of way. Just to give you an idea. That's not how it's gonna be, but just to give you an idea how I'm just trying to work a plan and how to fix it on there. But that's gonna be back there, that boy. See that there? Take this off. Ain't gonna be sitting up in there like that. Screws it away. Yeah. So I might even get the chrome whole back out or something. I don't know. We'll see. Give me a couple months to think about it. Yeah, that's how she goes. So I'm gonna order the radar. I mean, I got the hot racing thing coming. And got the hot racing coming. I'm gonna put that in there and take the guts out of there, put it in the hot racing, shove it in there. See if I get this thing back on the Brizzo. We moving, we going. Slowly but surely. Take so long for these pieces to come here. But that's it for now. Put that spark plug up there. And that's 2 videos in one day. Boy is doing this thing, huh? Alright. Been waiting on this for a long time. Rare aluminum diff. Ace Racing. Looks like it's good quality. It's thick. It's light. It's thick, it's light, and I don't see any. Gotta look at these little grooves here. See these grooves? You gotta make sure these grooves are finished right. I don't see anything that yet, but when you start putting the shit together, you know, then you'll find binding or whatever. If it's just a little bit off, you know what I mean, it won't work. So you can see that machining in there. See that? So let me see how that. A little rough. That should be smooth. Another one here. So they just made this. This wasn't sitting around. That's why it probably took so long. Anyway, that's the rear diff. I'll be putting it in when I get the hot racing hot racing diff. That's the diff housing rather. When I get the diff itself, I'll put it all together and throw it on a truck. All right, thanks for watching. For shizzle dizzle.